Okay, we picked up this Oliver 1365 tractor. Good deal, motor stuck. Interesting thing, Fiat motor, built 4-cylinder diesel. First 2 inches of this clutch pedal disengage the PTO, and the rest of it disengages the transmission. This lever is for the clutch for the PTO. It does the same thing as the first 2 inches of this pedal does. Here's your PTO shift lever, off, 540. Then something to do with wheel speed, and the PTO, it has to affect with the wheel speed. Fortunately, what people did is they put this up, putting pressure on the crankshaft, which caused the thrust bearings to go out on these. And this cover's off. See if you can see get in here and okay, there's the flywheel. Let's see if we can get see that movement. Not very much. I gotta find my screwdriver here real quick. There it is. Put that back in there. Let's see, we can put this in there. Move that back out. Let's see if we can get it one more time. So, drop the oil pan cover, and they're right here. There's all, well, what's left of the thrust bearings. There's spacers or shims, and 2 bolts. Interesting. 2 bolts. So they say we can change the bearings in the thrust washers without dropping or splitting the tractor. I'll have to get a book and see what the torque specs are and see what they say. Bye.